From Jake Drake, Teacher's Pet. Question 1. Paragraph 6 is important to the development of the plot because it is where A. Jake learns a lesson, B. Jake's problem begins, C. Jake makes a difficult decision, D. Jake's problem is solved. Go back and prove your answers. Question 2. Read paragraph 8 from the story. So I mumbled something like, "Oh, it was nothing," which was a mistake. Why does Jake think he's made a mistake? F. Mrs. Snavin continues to praise him in front of the class. G. Mrs. Snavin is unable to get the computer program to open. H. The class is over before he has time to work on the math project. J. The librarian comes to help the students with their work. 3. What does Jake mean when he says he is saved by the bell? A. Jake can now leave the awkward situation behind. B. Jake can finally go to his favorite class of the school day. C. Jake is tired of trying to help make the computer work. D. Jake is certain his classmates will forget what they saw. Circle the answer you think is the best and prove your answer in the passage. Question 4. As it is used in paragraph 9, the word expert means a person who F. is highly skilled, G. is willing to help, H. enjoys working with machines, J. has learned from watching others. Circle your best answer and prove your thinking.